You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you say the name of this sort of police force? It's actually more military, but anyhow, gendarmerie is how you say it in French. In English, it's normally pronounced as gendarmerie. Gendarmerie from French. Gendarmerie. It's easy, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations, including of confusing French vocabulary. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.